Hello students, good morning to all of you. In previous chapter, alcohol, phenols and ethers, you have studied organic compound with functional group containing oxygen bonded to carbon through the single bond. So in alcohol or in phenol, these are the organic compound having functional group containing oxygen bonded to carbon through the single bond. Today we are going to study new topic and its name is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So in this topic we are going to study organic compounds containing carbon oxygen double bond, that is C double bond O group, and such group is called as carbonyl group. So let's start from the introduction of this topic. So aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, these are the classes of an organic compounds. So aldehydes and ketones, they contains carbon oxygen double bond, and this is the functional group present in aldehydes and ketone, and it is called as carbonyl group, and such compounds are called as carbonyl compounds. So aldehydes and ketone contains carbonyl group or carbon oxygen double bond, and this is the functional group, and therefore aldehydes and ketones, they are called as carbonyl compounds. So in aldehydes, carbonyl group, and in carbonyl group, this is the carbonyl carbon, and this carbonyl carbon is linked to at least one hydrogen atom apart from an alkyl or aryl group. Once again I am going to repeat it. In aldehyde, carbonyl group is present, and to the carbonyl carbon at least one hydrogen atom apart from an alkyl group or aryl group is present. Therefore the functional group in aldehyde is CHO, that is, to this carbonyl carbon at least one hydrogen atom apart from this alkyl or aryl group is attached. So while in ketones, carbonyl group is also present, and carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups, and they may be same or different. It is called ketonic carbonyl group. So in ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups. So carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups, and these alkyl or aryl groups, they may be same or different. So such group is called as ketonic carbonyl group. Then the next class of the organic compound which we are going to study in this topic is carboxylic acids. So the functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH, and it is called as carboxyl group. So this carboxyl group, it contains carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. That's why name of this carboxyl COOH group is carboxyl group. The carboxylic acids are different from aldehydes and ketones. Why they are different from aldehydes and ketones? Because OH group is bonded to carbonyl group. That's why carboxylic acids, they are different from aldehydes and ketones. In aldehydes and ketones, to the carbonyl carbon, such OH group is not bonded. That's why carboxylic acids are different from aldehydes and ketones. Then let's study definition of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So aldehydes are defined as these are the first oxidative product of primary alcohol. So primary alcohol on oxidation, they gives aldehydes. So in aldehydes, carbonyl carbon is linked with alkyl or aryl group and other is hydrogen atom. So the functional group in aldehyde is, so in aldehyde carbonyl carbon is attached to either alkyl group or aryl group here, and another one it is the hydrogen atom here. That's why the functional group in aldehyde is called as aldehyde or formyl group, and that is CHO. So this functional group is present. This functional group is present in the aldehyde. Then let's study the definition of ketones. So ketones are nothing but these are the first oxidative product of secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol on oxidation they produces ketones, while primary alcohol on first oxidation they produces aldehydes. So this is the difference between these two definitions. Aldehydes are the first oxidative product of primary alcohol, while ketones are the first oxidative product of secondary alcohol. So in ketones, carbonyl group, is linked to same or different alkyl or aryl group. So carbonyl carbon is attached to same or different alkyl, or there may be also aryl groups here. So this is the definition of ketones. Ketones are the first oxidative product of secondary alcohol. So the functional group present in ketones is called as keto group or oxo group. Oxo or keto group. Functional group present in ketones is called as oxo or keto group. Then let's try to understand the next definition, and that definition, it is the definition of carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids are nothing but these are the compounds which contains carboxyl group, that is COOH group. So those organic compounds containing carboxyl group are called as carboxylic acids. So this carboxyl group or COOH group, it contains carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. That's why the name is carboxyl group. Carboxyl group has carbonyl group attached to hydroxyl group. So name of carboxyl group, it is as like this. So general formula of aliphatic monocarboxylic acid is, general formula of aliphatic monocarboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 COOH, or we can write this general formula in another way also, that is CnH2nO2. So after studying the definition of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, now we are going to study the classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So let's study first of all the classification of aldehydes. So aldehydes are classified into two classes. So among these, the first class, it is aliphatic aldehydes, and second class is aromatic aldehydes. So remember that aldehydes, they can be classified as aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. So let's first of all study about aliphatic aldehydes. So aliphatic aldehydes are nothing but compounds in which aldehyde group, that is CHO group, is directly linked to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So aliphatic aldehydes are nothing but, these are the compounds in which CHO group is directly linked to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So let's take one example. For example, CH3CHO. So name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Its name is acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde, it is the aliphatic aldehyde because CHO group is directly linked to the carbon atom, and this carbon atom, it is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That's why aldehyde, it is the example of aliphatic aldehyde. Then take another example. For example, CH3CH2CHO. So name of this compound is propanaldehyde. So in propanaldehyde, CHO group is directly linked to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That's why propanaldehyde, it is also the example of aliphatic aldehyde. But students, there is one exception, and that exception is formaldehyde. So formaldehyde having the formula HCHO. So this is the formaldehyde. So in formaldehyde, CHO group is not attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but it is attached to the hydrogen atom, but still it is considered as an example of aliphatic aldehyde. So this is the exception. Then another class of aldehyde is aromatic aldehydes. So aromatic aldehydes are nothing but, these are the compounds in which CHO group is directly linked to aromatic ring. These are the compounds. Aromatic aldehydes are the compounds in which CHO group is directly linked to it is directly linked to aromatic ring or benzene ring. Aromatic or benzene ring. So aromatic aldehydes are nothing but these are the aldehydes in which CHO group is directly linked to aromatic or benzene ring. So let's try to understand the examples of aromatic aldehydes. Let's take this example. So in this example, benzene ring is attached to CHO group, or CHO group it is directly linked to the benzene ring. So CHO group is directly linked to the benzene ring, that's why it is the example of aromatic aldehyde. And name of this compound is benzaldehyde. Its name is benzaldehyde. Then take another example. Take this example. So in this example, here there is presence of OH group and here there is the presence of CHO group. So in this compound also, CHO group is directly linked to aromatic or benzene ring. That's why this example, it comes under the category aromatic aldehyde. So name of this compound is salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. So salicylaldehyde, it is the example of aromatic aldehyde. Why it is the example of aromatic aldehyde? Because in salicylaldehyde, CHO group is directly linked to aromatic ring or benzene ring. So, thus, in today's lecture, we studied about the definition of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, then classification of aldehyde with suitable example. We will stop here. Thank you.